Hello everyone. Welcome to Database Management System Lab tutorial. This is Masiha Banu, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Science and Engineering at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. Program number 3. Queries using aggregate functions like count, average, min, max, sum, group by, order by. So these are aggregate functions. And employee, in that employee table, the attributes are employee ID, employee name, age, and salary. The first question is create employee table containing all records like employee ID, employee name, age, and salary. Second question, count number of employee names from employee table. 3. Find the maximum age from employee table. 4. Find the minimum age from employee table. 5. Find salaries of employee in ascending order. 6. Find grouped salaries of employees. Let's see how to execute the program. So as we know, first we have to open command prompt and then give it mysql space -u and root space -p and press enter, and it will asking the password. You have to enter the password, and then first I have typed here show databases. So if it is having any databases, the existing databases, it will show. So I need to create one more databases. The database name is app. So how to create? We know that is create database app. So now database is successfully created. Then use that database. That is the command. There is a command that is called use space and our database name is app. Put semicolon and enter. The first question is they have asked to create the employee table and containing the attributes, or we can say it as the fields. That employee table must be have employee ID, employee name, age, and the salary. So we know how to create the table. There is a command to create the table, that is use create table and followed by table name, that is employee, and the attributes are employee ID. Obviously it is in an integer, and then employee name is a character. Give the size. Here I have given 20. So then age, it is also in integer and size is 10, and then lastly salary. And to see whether our table created, so there is a command that is to describe employee table. So that is desc employee semicolon. Now we can see all the fields that is have been created in the employee table. That is employee ID, employee name, age, and salary. So that is showing 4 rows in a set. So in the question, they have not asking to insert any values. That is understood ourselves, that is employee table and the following attributes they have given. And they have not asking to insert 3 records, 5 records, or any number of records. As your choice, you can insert any number of records to your table. So let's see how to insert the records into a table. So here insert, there is a command. We know how to insert the values into table. Insert into employee. So here I have missed, that is the table name employee. So I have done here. Okay, in the next slide. Okay, after error I got to know what is the error I have done in this slide. So that is I missed the here employee table. Why? Because we need to insert the values into table, right? So here The table I have not mentioned, so you can see here I have given the proper command, that is insert into followed by employee table, table name, that is here employee, and values. First thing is employee ID, that is 123. Next is employee name. You can see in the field DSSC employee table. You can see according to these fields you are going to insert the values. So Abhi name, then age, and then salary. So like that I have inserted here 4 rows. Now the 4 successful values are 4 records are successfully added. Now we can see the values we have added our records, we can say it, to the to employee table. So that is how we can see there is a command called select star from employee. So now the 4 values are successfully added into our table. So next the first question is, let's see in the question what they have asked: create employee table containing all the records, employee ID, employee name, age, salary. This one is we have already done. The second one is count number of employee names from the employee table. So we have to count the employee numbers in an employee table. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4 members are there. So how to do it in a DBMS? Let's see. So that is to count the employee in an employee table through their names. So that is there is a command called select count of employee name. We are counting the employees through their names. So that is count the employee names from the table employee. So press enter. Then here it is showing 4. Yes, we know the 4 employees are there in a employee table. So this is done with the question 2. So next question number 3. What is in the 3? So find the maximum age from employee table. So here asking the maximum age. So if we say this age, the maximum age is having 35. So how to do it? By using aggregate functions, like they have given count, sum, min, max, group by, order by. So these are the aggregate function used to count our maximum to find the maximum age asking as they asked. So that is select maximum age from employee table. So which one will come? So that is maximum age is 35. Okay. So next, the fourth question is what they have asked. That is find the minimum age from the employee table. So we know same like the maximum. So in the same thing for the minimum also. So find the minimum age. So that is select minimum of age from the employee table. So that is minimum age is 9. You can see here in the age the 20, 19, 21, 35. So minimum age is the 19 that is showing. Okay. So next question is, that is fifth one. Find salaries of employee in ascending order. Okay. In our employee table, the 4 employees are there and their respective salaries are there. What we have to do? We have to find the salaries of employees in a ascending order. Okay. So that is to find the ascending order, there is a command select star from employee. To use ascending orders, order by aggregate function we have to use, and from the salary. Okay. So here you can see the ascending order 1975 80 and then it will come 90. So at the time we are inserting the values into our employee table, what we have given, that is Anu, Abhi, Arun, Sahana. So you can see in their respective values, their respective salaries, not values, salaries ordered by the ascending orders it will came. So this is our question. So find the salaries of the employees in ascending order. That is fifth question. It is also done. What about sixth? Find grouped salaries of employee.
What does it mean? Grouped salaries. For example, I will show you. So here our table is there. Okay, consider this one. Previous ascending order salary of the employee table. Consider 1975, 80, 90. So group by salaries, which means this first employee name is Sahana. Sahana, and she is getting the 19,000.65 salaries. And how many of employees are getting the same salary? That is the meaning of group by salaries. And 75,000.87. This is the Arun. And same salary, how many members are getting? So that we have to do group by salary. So salary, according to salary, we have to group it. So how to do that? Let's see the command select salary, comma, count of star means all the salaries will every employee are getting. We have to count it, but that is the meaning of count star from employee and group by salary from employee table, and we have to group it from the salary column. So you can see here salary and count star. So 80,000 only one employee is getting, right, and 90,000 and only one employee, and 19,000 one employee, 75,000, like that. If suppose if you want to uh, no more same salary, if another person is also getting, means you can simply add it like insert into employee, insert into employee values. Now you can here add it, that is first one is the employee id, you can give it any employee id, for example AA, and next you can give the age, and next you can give the salary, same salary. If 80,000, 80, 1, 2, 3,000. Okay, so now you can see the successfully it is added. Now the 80,000, 80,000 salary is getting two employees. So let's see count by salary, how many. Huh, see here. So 80,000.87 I have given. So here 80,000.34 I have to give. So that is the mistake I have given here. Other else it will obviously show on the 80,000.87 salary of how many members are taking, which means 2 it will obviously show. So 87, 87. Okay, again I will here change the name. Salary should be same. Here A, B, C if I give. So now you can see now the two members are already there. Correct. See. So now here the point decimal point it will also be counted. Okay. I hope now you understand this question.